Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to modify data with MySQL and PHP. Okay, let me enter to my local host and I'm going to show you how or where are we working with our projects, for example for actividades, grado 10. Okay, here we are. Okay, the objective of this video tutorial is to show you how to do the following thing. Home.php. Okay, as you remember, in this part we have the list of all the students that we have in our database. The purpose of this video tutorial is to add in this part of this table we are going to add another column. And in this column we are going to have the input radio option. This option is for selecting the student that we are going to change. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. For example, the first thing that we are going to do is changing all the menu, but we can have the we are going to check this menu that we can have this option available. Okay, the modify or modificar in this part, modificar in this part, and modificar in this part. Okay, and I'm going to do that in all the files that we have the menu. Now I'm going to go to this part. For example, okay, new topic, and here I'm going to have edit topic.php. In this part we are going to have edit underscore course.php, and in this part we are going to have edit underscore student.php. Okay, in this part, in this moment, in the home.php we have this option: modificar, cursos, modificar, and temas, modificar. Now I'm going to put these options in all my pages. Doing this, I have to select this part. I'm going to select from this div until this div. Now I'm going to open all the PHP files. For example, I have the course list, and I'm going to select the same section, and I'm going to give Ctrl B. I'm going to open another one on index inicio new course, and I'm going to select the same section. Where I am. Okay, now I'm going to open the new student, and I'm going to select the same section. I'm going to open new topic, and I'm going to select the same section, students list, and I'm going to select the same section, and the last one, file. Okay. Okay, what I'm doing in this part, I'm selecting all the pages, and I have this modified in all my pages. For example, I'm going to make Liga en Estudiantes, and I'm going to make Liga modify. Okay, we are right. Now I'm going to make the modify as the modify student file. In this case, I'm going to base on this file, students list.php. Then I'm going to go to students list.php, and I'm going to change the name, save as, and I'm going to put this name. Okay, Ctrl C, and I'm going to change the name. Okay, save. Okay, I'm going to test this part. Okay, here we are. And now I'm going to add this column, putting the radio option. Okay, here we got the table. Now in this part I'm going to write this, and in this part I'm going to put input type equals radio name OPC, the option, OPT option, and here we have a value. And this moment I want to put a value because I'm going to show you something. Okay, I'm going to refresh. Okay, here we are. We have all the radio button here. Now what are we going to do? I'm going to make the button. I'm going to make the button in this part. Okay. Okay, let me count how many columns we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, I want to show you something first. Input type equals submit value modify. Okay, as you can see, this is only one file, only one column, I'm sorry, but I want this button to be in the center, all of these file columns. For doing this, I'm going to write in this section, I'm going to write this call span, and here I'm going to put 5, and I'm going to put a link equals center. Okay, let us see. Okay, excellent. But look at this. If I make click in modifier, oh, what happened? It doesn't work. That is a reason we don't have the form. In this part, I'm going to put form name modify. I'm going to put this name action method. Here I'm going to put post, and in this I'm going to put edit student exe.php, and I have to close the form. In this part I'm going to close the form. Okay, let's try. Okay, excellent. Edit student that exe. Okay, I'm going to get back, and in this part we are going to put the value. It's important to know that we are going to modify the data of all the students using, I'm going to check the database. This is too slowly. Okay, I have the 4 actividades database, and I have the students, and in this part we are going to use the ID student. We are going to use this to modify all this data. Okay, this is the only item that that won't be changed. We can change the student code, the name, the student address, the student phone, the student representative, and the ID course, but this ID we can't change. Why? Because this is the identifier of the register in the database. Okay, that is the reason that we can change this data. This student that we register with this address, with this phone, with this representative, and with this ID course, all the time, always, forever, will have this ID. Okay, that's the reason that I'm going to use this part to change the student data. Now I need this name, ID student, and this ID I'm going to put here. PHP echo row. Okay, look at this carefully. We are putting a radio input with the name OPT, and this is the value that this option will have. Okay, now in the next page I'm going to show you how to get this data. In this moment you already know how to get this data, but I'm going to show you again. Okay, I'm going to make a new file, PHP, and I'm going to call this name, this file, edit student exe.php, and I'm going to select all types. Okay, here I'm going to put echo currency underscore post OPT. Okay, let's try. Okay, I'm going to select this one. It must be the first one. Oops, we had a problem here. What is the problem? Post. No new topic now. Edit student method post action edit student exe name modify, and we have the option here. Okay, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to look what is happening here. Okay, so I already get the error. The error was as following: we haven't refreshed this page. Okay, now I'm going to select this one. I'm going to click modify. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to click modify. As you see, this value is changing, and this value is that we are going to use to modify the data. To modify the data, we are going to make a new page. For example, this page, edit student exe, must show us a new form with all the data that we have to change for the student. I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to show you how to do that in a while. Okay, I will back in a moment. Okay, I made it. I have changed my decision. I'm going to show you how to do that. I will try to do it quickly. I'm going to base my new file in the new student. Okay, I'm going to use this form to put all the data that comes from the database. Okay, now I'm going to open the new student file. I'm going to make clicking here, and I'm going to copy all of these, and I'm going to paste in this file, edit student exe.php. Okay, in this part I'm going to put the PHP code that is going to seek for all the data that we are going to use to change the information for this student. For example, I'm going to put this result equals MySQL query, and in this part I am going to put select asterisks from students where the ID student, where the ID students are equals to, I'm going to put this, and in here we are going to put this post and opt, right? In this part we are looking for for example, we are going to look for this ID student, okay? And now I'm going to put this, okay, row equals MySQL fetch array, and in this part I'm going to put the result. It's the same. Okay. Let me see something. Let me see something. Okay, I'm going to do it from here. Here I'm going to put if row. I'm going to close, I'm going to open this, and I'm going to go to the end of the file, and I'm going to put PHP code again. And in this part we are going to close the if. Here we are closing the if, and in this part we are opening the if, okay? Okay, now we are going to use this file. Okay, here we are going to put this value. In all these files we are going to use the same part. We are going to use the value. In this part we are going to use this we are going to put a new option value, and in a while I'm going to show you why I'm doing this. Okay, the last one. Okay, this is the last one. Let me check one thing, because I have to make here a join of tables. It doesn't matter. Okay. Well, I think that it doesn't matter, but okay. Let me check one thing. Okay, in this part I'm going to put this PHP code echo row. Okay, in all of these we are going to put the same. And in this part we are going to put the same, and in this part I'm going to put the same, just for a while. Now I need the names of the files. Structura. Okay, I need the ID course. I'm sorry, student repre. Okay, student phone in this part, student address in this part, student name in this part, student code in this part. Okay, let's try. I'm going to check if we are doing well. I'm going to home, I'm going to estudiantes, I'm going to modify, I'm going to check this one, and I'm going to make click on modificar. Okay, we have an error here. Let me check what is happening here. Okay, I know what is happening here. We have to require the config.php file. Okay. we have the same error. Select asterisk from students where this student equals this part. The error is in here in the line 4. Okay, I'm going to pause the video again. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I think I found the error. The table is students, not students. Okay, and now I'm going to press F5. Okay, look at this. I'm going to change another one. Modificar, I'm going to change, for example, fulanito de tal. And here, okay, fulanito de tal, atrás. I'm going to select this one. Modificar. In this part we have all the information. Okay, oh, I'm sorry. Modify. I'm going to select this one, Pepito Perez. Modify, Pepito Perez. Okay, this page that in this page that what we are doing is getting all the information for the student that we are selecting in this part. For example, again, Pepito Perez. We look for this information in the database, and we are going putting this information here. And in this part we can change all the information. Now let's try changing this student. For example, I'm going to change this information. Okay, código estudiante, I'm going to put 667843. We are going to put Sergio Fonseca. The address will be this address, GGGGG, del teléfono oh, my Spanglish is very good. Acudiente, I don't know, and we are going to put the. Okay, as you can see, look at this. We are going to put the 11. Okay, now we have to change the action in the form. The action in the form, we are going to put edit student exe 1. Okay, edit student exe 1. I'm going to press F5, and we have the information. Okay, we have to change again. Edit student exe 1. In this part I'm going to put again 678431. Sergio Fonseca, dirección I don't know, teléfono acudiente, himself. I'm going to put 11 grade. Okay, I'm going to make click on enviar, and as you notice we have an error because we don't have this file. I'm going to base in this same file, and I'm going to change the name, and the name I'm going to put the one that PHP, and I'm going to erase all this information in the new file, and I'm going to use the PHP code, and I'm going to show you all the information that is coming from the form. Okay, post. I'm going to show you the information. F5. Okay, post and with underscore. Okay, underline. Okay, we have here all the information: the new code, the new name, I don't know, the phone number, and the representative, and the new grade. Now we are going to change this information with this code. Result equals my Mysql query, and in this part we are going to put update update students update student set, and here we are going to put all the files. Okay, student code. For this moment I'm going to put colon. We had 2 columns here. Colon. Student pre the ID course. Okay, where the ID student equals, but we had an error because we are missing the ID. Where we are missing the ID. In this part we are getting the ID and we are sending the ID to this file. We are getting the ID in this file, but in this part we are missing the ID. Now I'm going to show you another file. Let me see. 26 minutes. Okay, in this part I'm going to use a new input. Here I'm going to put input. Okay, input type hidden. This input doesn't appear in the form because it's the hidden type, and we are going to put the name. Name equals. Here we are going to put here the IDs. The value is going to be PHP echo post. The ID is gonna be this one too. Okay, in this part we have all the ID, okay, with this line. Okay, I'm going to go to this file, and this file I'm going to okay, we're going to look for, okay, I'm sorry, we're going to do with a go back. Okay, for example, students F5, I'm going to select the same student. In this part we have, okay, 6, 7, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fonseca. Here we got, I don't know, X himself, and in this part we are going to put 11 MBR. Okay, look at this. ID ST7. Let me see. Students, we got the ID 7, and these are the files that we are going to change. Okay, now what are we going to do to finish the video? In this part I'm going to put update student set student code equals, and here we are going to put this post, and in this part we are going to use the student code. We are going to use this code, and we are going to put code here. Now I'm going to copy this part, and in here in this part we can do this. Okay, you are going to do the same. Here I'm going to put equals, I'm going to paste, and the student name we have numbers, and in this part we are going to put numbers. In this part I'm going to make enter. Here I'm going to put equals. No. I'm going to copy this one again. And okay, I'm going to copy in all of these equals, enter, equals, enter, equals, enter, and enter. Okay, I'm going to change numbers there. Numbers there. Tell. Progress. And cursor. And in this part we are going to put the same. We need the same. Post. And in this part we are going to use this one. Okay, after this option we are going to put the new direction. We are going to put header. Okay, let me copy this from another file. Okay, I'm going to copy from this part. I'm going to close, and in this part I'm going to put this, and we are going to put the students list. Okay, let's try. And with this we are at the end of the video. Okay. Oh, we got an error because it's not saving nothing. We are going to change only the code. Enviar. No, we got a mistake and we got 32 minutes. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. Okay guys, I had the same error that the last time. I forgot to put the required config file. Okay, now I'm going to show you that it is working, and this is the end of the video. Okay, okay, I'm going to click on modifier, and I'm going to change all this information. Okay, okay, modifier. Here I'm going to put 6, 7, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we got Sergio Fonseca. Here we got, I don't know. Here we got XXX, and here we got himself, and we are going to change for 10th grade. Okay, look at this one. 7, Rosana, Rojas, la misma, 1, 2, 3, 4, Marina, 9. Okay, bien. Okay, I'm going to click here, and we got in the 7th ID we got this code with Sergio Fonseca, with I don't know, with XXX, with himself, and with 10th grade. Okay. Okay guys, this was the video for how to modifying files with PHP with MySQL, and please, you have to do the same with grades and with topics. This is all. Please, if you have a question, please let me know it. Bye.